Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you watch this video until the end. So today I'm about to teach you how you can do hybrid validation on Satoshi Testnet. So right here I'm on MetaMask wallet. So before you do that, make sure that you have one BTCs or test Bitcoin Satoshi in your wallet. If you don't, make sure that you go and receive on the Satoshi Faucet. So to do that, you have to watch my other video. The link will be in the comments, in the comment and the description box below. Click on that, watch it first, and learn how you can fix your Satoshi wallet if you haven't fixed it, so that you can start receiving Faucet. If you have done it already, then let's jump to it. But for those that are eager to learn, all you have to do is to go to the menu and then click on settings and then advanced option and then click on reset account. Once you do that, you're good to go. Your account is fixed. So first of all, let's receive Faucet. So what I have to do is go to the browser, okay, and then next is to validate that I'm not a robot but a human by going through these boring transitions, okay, and then click on you have to paste your wallet address here and then click on get BTC. In the next video I'll show you how you can fix your USDT wallet. All right, so once we have done that, I think our BTC should be ready anytime. Okay, we have received our BTCs. It's right here. The transaction has been completed. Then you have to go back and go to, oh sorry, yeah, you can go to the wallet and check that we have one BTC. All right, we can get more. I still have some BTC in my other accounts. Let me go get it. I have almost 2.5. Let me send it to my first account, and just click on maximum, next. Yeah, let me pause it so that it cannot use more. So as you can see, I'm sending 2.5 test BTCs to my first account, and I think it will be done very soon. All right, it's done. So let's go back to my first account and then go to the transaction. Now I have like 3.9, which is almost 4. So this is my first account. So I can now go to the browser, and when I'm in the browser, I have to click on the validator. So there are two things that you should know when you're about to validate. Okay, so all you have to do right here is simple. You have to choose the best mining coin, okay, that has best scores as well as also it has a good commission as well as APR. So as you can see, the one that has a good APR is this one that is 547%. That has a good APR, but then the commission is 3%, and as well as their hybrid score is 19, which is almost 20%, which is called Rock. Rock is the best, I can say so. And then the other one is the second one is Satoshi node, okay, spider node I mean, which is around 543. So these two, I think they're best. I think we'll divide it into these two. So first of all, we'll start with Rock. I think I can put 1.5 if not 1.9. Let me just put 1.5. So I can click on delegate. So you can delegate hashes or coin. Anyway, so this is my first time to do this. So just have to click on delegate coin. So I'll delegate my coin. So as I said, I put 1.5. So put 1.5. Right, then click on delegate, and it's rolling. Okay, let me just confirm it. So make sure that if you like this video and share this to your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. And then let's go to the next one, which is called spider node. So now we're on spider. We did get a coin as well, so I think you can now dedicate here 2 BTCs. So we can dedicate here 2, and then boom, it's done. So the transaction is almost ready now. Yeah, it's now complete. So we are done right here. Okay, so I've staked 2 I can say 3.5 satoshis. Okay, if I check on my wallet, I'm remaining with only 0.49. Okay, so right there I have staked my coin. If you go back here, you see that we have indeed done it. So the next one is I think we'll try the 400 the 540 that has an APR the commission of 5%. No, so it doesn't have a hash percentage. 19.5. I think we'll choose the second one, formation, because it also gives good returns. So we'll try getting hashes. Let's see what's so they say you have to input 64 bytes of BTC. Or so this is the second this is the second validation we are talking about, where you have to dedicate your hashes. So this one is definitely for those people that have mining rigs. Okay, so let me go back. This is not our thing. Our only thing is just the Bitcoin, the coin dedication. All right, so right now here we are done. So that's how you can now dedicate your Satoshi coins. And for those that wish to dedicate their Bitcoin hashes, you can do so. You are free to do so. So thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Subscribe, please guys, subscribe. Okay, I'm giving you content that you are gonna appreciate, and it will help you in your mining process. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.